Morning, guys. Oh, today I'm cleaning up. Today was scheduled for tomorrow, but I noticed I had to do some shifting because I wasn't ready for tomorrow. And then I'm expecting my mop stick. I have a mop stick, but this is more like an easier squeezable mop stick. My package came in, and opening it, I noticed the fabric is so soft, like really light, and it seemed like it could clean a lot of stains, but it's squeezable, so maybe we can work with it. And it also came with this rod, so it's not short. I got this for my bathroom, and it has nine. Where did I see it? Okay, it's a 91 multifunctional electric cleaning brush. I'm impatient, so I opened it and tried it out, and it's kind of seemed like a really fun tool to use. My bathroom is one of my self-care space, and keeping it clean is always a priority.
Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging. And I go hard, that's why they keep talking. 3 years and I'm only just getting started. One song and I got the people excited. Hearted, it's the whole town. It's the whole town, are you ready? Ready cause I'm going steady. Everybody wants to lie, they want to fight, they want to get me. Kill me, they want kill me. Tell me why they want try me. When they really don't know me. Hey, hey. I'm on my tunnel vision. I beat their allegation. I'm moving on a mission. I don't need supervision. Yeah, 1 in a million. I got the ammunition. They couldn't see the vision. They couldn't see it. Nobody's finding you. Can't better make it this fun. Me and my goals in a wicked this time. I know you see it and then you want more. What you say? What you know, yeah. Can't better make it this fun. Me and my goals in a wicked this time. I know you see it and then you want more. Only I keep moving. I've been going up the mountain in my life. No thinking twice. I did my lane, so no debating. No worry, you know me. I know sense anybody. I'm alright. I do it naturally. It's all down. I'm ready. Ready, gonna go be steady. Everybody wants to lie. They want to fight. They want to get it. Kill me, they won't kill me. Tell me why they won't try me when they really don't know me. Hey, hey. I'm on my tunnel vision. I beat their allegation. I'm moving on a mission. I don't need supervision. Yeah, 1 in a million. I got the ammunition. They couldn't see the vision. They couldn't see it. Nobody's finding you. Can't better make it this fun. Me and my goals in a wicked this time. I know you see it and know you want more. What you say? What you know, yeah. Can't better make it this fun. Me and my goals in a wicked this time. I know you see it and know you want more.
This cleaning tool came in handy but was more effective without the rod. I noticed I could apply more pressure when I use it without the handle. Well, I recommend definitely yes, because it makes your work easier. I would not say it's going to last you a long time because this is my first time using it, and charging it, the battery lasted for me. I know how I had to wash my bathroom and scrub and scrub and scrub, and I have not really deep cleaned my bathroom like this before, so it's definitely a long lasting battery. I would say 2 hours, not 3 hours, because I charged it after 2 hours, so I'll say 2 hours. I also had to use a sponge and a toothbrush, and for the mirror I use wipes. Finally done. This took me 3 hours. And I feel filthy, so I think I'm gonna have to shower before I continue.
One in a million. I got the ammunition. They couldn't see the vision. They couldn't see it. Nobody's finding you. Came for the wickedest one. Me and my girls in the wickedest time. I know you see it and know you want more. What you say? What you know, yeah. Came for the wickedest one. Me and my girls in the wickedest time. I know you see it and know you want more.
Lastly, I added air fresheners, and now my bathroom looks as good as new and smells amazing. There's something about a clean room that just gives you a vibe and the energy to reflect, if you know what I mean. It makes your life look put together, and whenever my room is clean, every other thing comes easy because I'm not thinking of how to tidy up.
But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why people can't lay it. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong. No one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch. Even though it's what we want, can't keep this up. No. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why people can't lay it. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game we know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie.
Whoa, I didn't know I was gonna say this, but this squeezable mop is my favorite right now because it's just so stress-free. I wanted to get like a mop and a bucket, but I felt like that would take a lot of space, so that's why I got this one. And now it's just so amazing. It's rotate 360 or 180. No, I think it's 360. It rotates, and you can bend it. You can reach underneath your bed, underneath surfaces, your fridge, your whatever area you just want to know. Squeeze it in. It just fits. It just fits, and I love it. I love it.
And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. People can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is
What is a clean room without a beautiful scent? I'm using the So Fresh Odor Vanish Room Spray I got from a local store. Look, if there's any part of my house that's gonna look messed up, it has to be my shoe rack and bag because most times when I go out and come back, I just dump them when I'm tired. I occasionally put them properly, but most of the time I drop them. I drop them. So I'm just going to put this in order now, and you guys, let's do it together.
Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love.
You know, it can be so annoying when your space is stained or was when oil around your space was spilled or something. So that's what's going on right now. And I had to find what exactly was spilling. And yeah, I found it and I noticed obviously it's open, so we close that up and just try to tidy up this place. So I'm cleaning them up first with a tissue, and then I go in with my water and soap. The soap was already on the wipe, so I cleaned it, and it was the oil was out. And then I went in with a dry rag as well again and just packed it up. So that's how it went. So that's how it went, and that's on that.
I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. Don't leave me sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. Freedom just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, this is in pages. How can I lie? Sorry, I'm faded. Like I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me.
I call this a dump basket because this is where I dump my sanitary, my what else is here? Okay, I have apple cider vinegar. I have toothbrush that I only use once. I have my glasses. I have several things right here. And here is where I have my jewelries, my waist chain, my earrings, my rings. This is my scents basket, my cream, my perfumes, and few of my supplements. I'll say two is just here, and that's all for this. Now the wardrobe. Guys, my wardrobe is never scattered. It's never a mess. As long as I have a hanger, my wardrobe is never a mess. The only time it's messed up is when I do not have a hanger, and I always do have a hanger, so it's never messy for this part of my wardrobe. But the other part, This other part I would say is my dumping wardrobe as well. Is where I dump dirty clothes. I just have a bag. I have bags for each thing. I have bags for my undies. I have bags for my nighties. I have bags for my gym wear. I have bags for my hair. I also have bag for my dirty clothes. And I kind of folded a lot of like few things here and there. And I also have a bag for my caps as well. So it looks messy, but it's not messy. Lastly, I am tired. My body is broken, and I'm sure if I wasn't using those easy clean tools, I would be more exhausted than I am right now. So I'm just gonna shower and get to bed. But what is bedtime without Netflix and chill? Do not forget to like and subscribe for more content that nourishes your body, mind, and soul. I love you all. Bye.